the development team at Cynon Taf Housing. These 4 new family homes in Cwmbach, Aberdare are a small and valuable addition to our housing stock and, more importantly, to the local community in Cwmbach, providing much needed homes to local families who need them. These are new, energy efficient and affordable houses which will provide homes for generations to come in communities where such new houses are hard to come by. What is more is that Cynon Taf will be investing in these homes in years to come, keeping them well maintained, energy efficient and affordable for future generations. Built by a local developer, they were acquired by Cynon Taf Housing with support from both Rhondda Cynon Taf Local Authority and Welsh Government TACP Grant funding. The grant support from Welsh Government is flexible, which allows us to grow our social housing stock and provide more quality homes to address the housing crisis in Wales.
Moving into this new home just feels like a dream. It's lovely, it means a lot to me. Would have been homeless because I'm in a rented house and he's selling the house, so we wouldn't have had nowhere to go. I faced a lot of challenges because I was told that I'd have to go to temporary accommodation, but I've had so much help from support workers and that I can't fault them. I'm very appreciative. What does this new home mean to us? Go on. You're shy, you know, it means everything. It's just fantastic.